HostGator Website Builder Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Looking for an easy way to create a professional website without any technical skills? HostGator's Website Builder is a beginner-friendly platform designed to simplify the web development process. It's packed with features like a drag-and-drop editor, customizable templates, built-in SEO tools, and e-commerce functionality. With its intuitive interface, even complete novices can build and launch a stunning website in minutes. HostGator's Builder supports a wide range of industries, making it ideal for small businesses, bloggers, portfolio creators, and online store owners. One of its standout features is the flexibility to start small and scale up. It comes with responsive design templates that look great on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. You'll also find helpful integrations, such as PayPal for payments and social media tools for broader audience reach. Plus, the builder includes a free domain for the first year, free hosting, and SSL certification, essentials for a professional online presence. However, HostGator's website builder is not without its flaws. While it's excellent for beginners, advanced users may find it lacks the level of customization or complexity available on platforms like WordPress. For example, the template design options, while diverse, can feel limiting if you want to heavily modify layouts. Additionally, while the e-commerce tools are sufficient for smaller stores, they may not cater to businesses requiring robust inventory management or advanced payment gateways. Strengths include its ease of use, affordability, and robust customer support, available 24/7 via live chat, email, or phone. HostGator also offers a 45-day money-back guarantee, so you can try the platform risk-free. Weaknesses include its limitations for scalability on highly customized or large-scale websites, and a slight learning curve with the SEO tools for complete beginners. Overall, HostGator Website Builder is an excellent choice for users prioritizing simplicity, affordability, and a quick setup process. It's best suited for small businesses, personal projects, and anyone looking for a no-fuss way to get online fast. For those needing advanced customization or large-scale e-commerce capabilities, you might want to consider alternative platforms. With its solid range of features and beginner-friendly approach, HostGator's Website Builder is a reliable option for most web design needs.